Let's get ready for word work. In the story today, you heard that the weasels, ferrets, and sloths were toasting Modest Toad and laughing at his expense. Our word for today is modest. Say the word modest. One more time. Modest. If you are modest, that means you are humble and don't show off. Albert Einstein, a famous physicist or special kind of scientist, was modest about his many achievements and rarely spoke of them to anyone. So, how did Albert Einstein show that he is modest? That's right, he's a very famous scientist, and yet he didn't speak of it to anyone. Do you know someone who is modest? What did they do or how do they act to show that they are modest? Pause the video and don't forget to use the word modest when you explain. Now let's see if we can think of some synonyms and antonyms for our word today, modest. Let's review that synonyms are words that mean the same and antonyms are words that mean the opposite. So let's begin with synonyms. What are some synonyms for the word modest? Pause and think. Were you thinking, humble? Were you thinking meek? Or maybe even unassuming? Or how about unpretentious? What other synonyms could you think of? Now, what are some antonyms for the word modest? Antonyms for the word modest. Antonyms are words that mean the same. Were you thinking conceited? How about showy? Maybe proud or even self-important. Did you come up with different words than I did? So let's review. What word have we been learning today? That's right, modest. What does modest mean? To be humble and don't show off. What part of speech do you think the word modest is? We've had a lot of verbs, we've had some nouns, but what do you think modest is? What does it do in the sentence? Pause and think. If you said that modest is an adjective, you are correct because it describes. And what does it describe? Someone's behavior. You are a modest person. So I am describing you. Good job today, boys and girls.